If you are always finding yourself in relationships where you feel you need to stick it out and make it work no matter what, because that's what real love does, and you find yourself always being loyal to a fault at your own expense, at the expense of your own peace, your own happiness, your own joy, your own fulfillment, go ahead and lean in, listen up, because I'm going to share with you something. Unconditional love, real love, would never ask you to diminish yourself, would never ask you to self-abandon, would never ask you to compromise your own values in order to keep the connection alive. And so if you find yourself in these cycles, this loyalty is not honorable. This is self-abandonment. This is attachment. This is codependency. It's not love. And so if you really want to flip the script on this, you got to be honest with yourself. If you see these cycles in your life, if this is a pattern and you realize that you're being loyal to a fault and sticking it out no matter what, because that's what real love does. It recognize that if you're listening to this, you love deeply. You don't need to love more deeply. You don't need to be more loyal. That's not the problem. You already love deeply. This is not only your strength, but also your curse. You love so deeply. The problem is what you're willing to accept. And every time you accept less than you deserve, you send a message to your unconscious that you're not actually worthy of the love that you deserve. And so what happens in life is relationships will reflect this back to you. They will reflect back to you how deeply you have met yourself. They will also reflect back to you how much you are abandoning yourself. And so if you see the cycle playing out in your life, this is a clear indicator that it's time to go inward and connect with your true self, your heart. It's time to put yourself first. Your loyalty is displaced. Your loyalty should be to yourself first and foremost. And for someone who's used to always giving their power away, if this is you, that feels selfish at first to actually put yourself first. It's not. You have to save yourself first and foremost. Life will reflect back to you what you feel you deserve. You have to be willing to come home to yourself, be loyal to yourself, choose yourself. The love that you deserve is out there, but you have to be willing to accept that for yourself. And you do that by settling for nothing less than the absolute best, settling for nothing less than what you truly deserve. When you up-level your standards like this, you naturally create healthy boundaries and you allow other people to rise up to meet you. The right people will. The people that are not meant to be in your experience will spin out. Either way, this is the best possible outcome for you. So if this is resonating with you and you'd like to dive deeper with this, then go ahead and drop the word embody. This is an invitation to hop into my Divine Feminine Awakening and Embodiment membership. It's called Embody The Empress. This is where we dive deep into alchemizing the feminine shadow so you can fully step into integrating healthy, sacred, masculine energy and awakening your feminine essence, fully embodying your divinity in this lifetime. So if that resonates with you, drop the word embody wherever you're listening to this, and I will get you the link. Namaste.